Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to be opening some Mosaic. It's Christmas Day. I just opened some Origins. You should watch that video. I'm not going to tell you what I pulled. I mean, I kind of have it, what I pulled. But these are some cards that I got. And then I opened this Zion Williamson. Really nice. Got some cards to the side that I like. And, well, let's just get right into it. I'm going to open it here. I kind of have a little bit of problems opening it with gloves, but it's really not too biggie. Open it here. Alright. There's 8 packs, 4 cards, 32 cards. So, not too much cards per pack, but I think most of the time at the very back there's an insert or a mosaic. So, yeah, there's a Mosaic green. Josh Jacobs, Kelvin Johnson, Thurman Thomas, and I'm not going to get too overhyped, but that's a Justin Jefferson rookie card. He's been playing phenomenal at receiver. Going to put that to the side there. So that's a good way to start off. There's been a lot of good rookies this year stepping it up. Miles Sanders, just got a jersey of him actually today. Jalen Ramsey, Hall of Fame Troy Polamalu, and then silver Chandler Jones. Whoops. All right, we're back. That was a little slip up. So I really like that Justin Jefferson card. Probably gonna sleeve that. Definitely, actually. Debo, Will Fuller. Oh, this is an autograph of Duke Johnson. Nice. That looks nice. Cool. So, there wasn't any guarantees, I don't think, of Duke Johnson because I've opened a box and I haven't gotten an autograph of anyone. But that's cool that we got the Duke Johnson. That's really nice, actually. Gonna sleeve that too. I mean, it's not like a really good player, but I mean, it's a nice little autograph. John Riggins, Jamal Adams, Tua, nice. Gonna put that over there. And then Touchdown Masters Tom Brady. Cooper Kupp, Joe Mixon, Tyreek Hill, and Jalen Ramsey. I think this has been a really good box so far. I mean, we just got a autograph and a Tom Brady, and we keep getting our mosaics. Rod Woodson, Dalvin Cook, Pro Bowl Deshaun Watson. I have a autographed rated rookie right there, and then got game Saquon Barkley. Alright. Gonna put these open packs to the side. Alright, here we go. Cam Chancellor, Troy Aikman, Ed Reed, and Brylan Urlacher Hall of Fame Mosaic. Last pack. Jared Cook, Yannick Ngakoue, Javon Kinlaw, and then a Mosaic got game Miles Sanders. Another Miles Sanders. Once again, I got his jersey, so that's pretty cool. So that was a nice box, nice box. Got mini mosaics. Yeah. And then we got the autograph. Let me get it right here of Duke Johnson. I think that was a pretty good box, knowing that there wasn't really a guarantee of an autograph. And I think that's basically it. Have a Merry Christmas. I hope you have some good luck on Christmas like I did. for pack opening. And yeah, see you guys later. Bye.